Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming Channel. Press Program button. Switch to Edit mode. Try typing program number more than O9999. You can see that it's not taking more than O9999. Now try creating O9999. Program O9999 has been created. Now we will change the parameter to increase O number. Press System button. Type 11304 and press number search soft key. Switch to MDI mode. Change ON8 value from 0 to 1. Now turn off and on the machine. Now you can see that 8 digits has been activated. Now you can use more than O9999 program number. Thank you for watching the video.